Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And also welcome back to part 2 of preserving my wedding bouquet in resin. I'm so excited. So I hope that you watched part 1, which was where we dried my bouquet flowers in silica gel and pressed and dried in books. So go check that out if you haven't seen it already, because that's kind of the prelude to this part, which is putting it in resin. I've been dying to do this. I'm so excited. So if you want to see me preserve my wedding bouquet flowers in resin, keep on watching. I'm so excited. So I just kind of want to talk you through some of the new tools I'm going to be using. Very excited. I don't know if I've ever mentioned this on my channel, maybe once or twice, but I am using this now instead of like a blowtorch. This is so much better. Obviously you don't need butane for this. This is a heat gun and it's basically like a glorified hair dryer. And it won't like ruin your molds and it won't like kind of burn your resin, you know, and it's a lot better at popping bubbles. It's a lot better at popping bubbles. So the next thing that we're going to be using is actually I have 3 of them. These are silicone measuring cups. Do you know what that do you know what that means? Do you? Of course you do. It means reusable cups. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to have reusable cups because now we don't have to keep using plastic cups and we don't have to waste plastic. It's amazing. I'm so excited. So I got these ones. They are 4-cup ones. They are silicone. They are squishy, so we're going to be able to rip them out and reuse them. Not rip them out, but rip out the resin and reuse them. So I'm very excited to have those in my kit now. We're going to be using this purple mold. You've seen this before. This is 10-inch, 8-inch, 10-inch between there. And I've got some electrical tape in there to block some holes that I made in previous projects. We're also going to be using gloves, of course, because gloves to be safe. I'm Dora the Explorer. And I found this at the dollar store and I thought that this could be a nice reusable, because it's silicone, a nice reusable like mixing stick instead of using like popsicle sticks. So, and we've also got our flowers. I'm very excited to put these in resin. So I'm also going to be using, of course, my resin of choice, my resin of life. This is the CounterCultureDIY casting resin. I do have this linked in my description down below, so if you ever want to check it out, or if you ever want to know what resin I use, the link is down in my description, so you can check that out. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to do this project. Can you tell? I'm excited. How many times can your girl say that? Many. So saddle up. I'm so excited. Let's jump into this. We have used resin before on my channel, of course, because I'm the crazy resin lady, self-proclaimed. And let's get started. Who's excited? I'm excited. I'm excited. Okay, let's go.
Any ideas? Any ideas? Any ideas? Any ideas?
Good morning, guys. Who is excited to pop this freaking monster out? Oh my god, I was gonna take a sip of my coffee, but never mind. I'm so excited to pop this out. It's humongous. It is heavy. And let's be clear about something. This has 4 layers of resin in it. And the layers weren't very thin. So this is gonna be heavy. But I'm so excited to pop this out. Like, I'm excited, but I'm nervous because if this comes out like crap, this was my one shot because I don't get another wedding bouquet. This was it. This is my one shot. And if it comes out like crap, I'm gonna be pretty sad. So who knows if you're even seeing this video. If you're watching this, then that means it probably came out okay, or it came out like crap and I'm talking myself into uploading it anyway. But I hope it was that it comes out great and that's why you're watching this. Nobody knows. Nobody knows how this comes out until I pop it out. So I'm going to find the front. I'm gonna try really hard to not look at things. And I'm gonna show you first, even though like in the viewfinder I'll be able to see it too. So here we go.
Any ideas?
How does it look? I can see it in the viewfinder, but obviously I'm not looking straight at it. Okay, I'm gonna look at it and I'm nervous. Dude, this is so heavy. Oh my god. I don't know how this worked. Honestly, like, I was like, oh, some of the flowers will look okay. Some of the flowers will come out fine. But this entire thing is stunning. This is so cool. I'm honestly, like, I'm kind of speechless right now, so I'm sorry if I'm not like exploding with excitement on the outside. I am on the inside. I'm just like, I kind of can't believe that this worked so well. So I'm gonna get some like close-up shots for you guys because I know that this is kind of like hard to see, especially with me like moving it around and stuff, but this is so beautiful. Oh my god, I'm really happy that I cut the stems off of these straw flowers and kind of like face them front so it would be like a nice bright like pop of color. I kind of like I can't believe this. So the poppy pods, let me see if I'm pointing at the right one. Yep, the poppy pods have like obviously some space on the inside. You guys saw that the, you know, like poppy seeds came out. So there's like little pockets of like squiggly air coming out of them, which I kind of like. Even the bow is really cute. Like, I feel like this whole thing is amazing. And I'm so happy that I put like just a little sprinkling of glitter. And then I also put like a white backing. I went back and forth on whether I wanted to add a backing to it at all, or if I wanted it to just be like clear and see-through. But I'm really glad that I put a white backing on it because I feel like it makes you look at all the flowers rather than, you know, like whatever could have been behind it. So, and a little bit of glitter just makes it like, oh, so pretty. This is so gorgeous. And it's like, it is crystal clear. It looks like water. I'm just like, this is my favorite piece I've ever made, ever. What do you think? Do you want to see? What do you think? Do you like it? Do you think it came out good? I think she likes it. Let me know what you think of this. Let me know, because I'm like obsessed with it. So if you don't like it, I don't care. I'm just kidding. I do care. It's just that you're wrong. And this is amazing. I'm so excited to have this. My flowers are preserved. Just look at me like clutching this thing. I'm gonna get some close-up shots for you. So thank you guys so much for watching both of these videos. If you didn't watch the previous video where we dried these flowers in silica gel and in books, go watch that because they kind of go together. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know what you think of this. I'm just in love with it. I love it so much. If you are not already, please subscribe to my channel. And if you're not following me on Instagram, you totally should do that. Here is my ding handle. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye!